All right, welcome to MrThankYou.com. I want to show you guys how to utilize the website to help elevate your own level of gratitude as we as a community elevate the level of gratitude on the planet. At the moment, this is our global gratitude number of cards that have been inspired and written all around the world. Where all these cards are coming from, this is our global gratitude map. These are actual physical locations via zip code of where our Mr. Thank You and Miss Thank Yous are around the world, and all the cards that they've been sending. So I'll show you guys how to participate. So you can go right here to sign up. It is completely free. You're just going to create an account. All right, and so we're going to create one for our admin guy, Spencer. So y'all can see how to create your own account. So we do want you to put your zip code in there, and then obviously what country you're in, so that we can know roughly where you are in the globe, and that's going to be relevant here in a moment when you see the global gratitude map. Okay, so this is first thing you see is how to use the gratitude dashboard. So there's two ways to utilize it. Number one is with a quick entry, and two is with a detailed entry. Quick entry is where if you've written 3, 5, 10 cards and you haven't entered any of them on the website, you can feel free to just do one quick entry and say, I wrote 10 cards. Now, the detailed entry is where you can put the person's name, their zip code, and it actually tracks physically how far your gratitude is spreading. So if you have any questions about that or problems, feel free to email us at info@MrThankYou, and that is the opening page. So when you have the account, so this is your own dashboard, you get a brand new dashboard, brand new, no cards sent. So we're going to go ahead and get started and say, let's say Spencer sent 7 thank you cards out. And so he'll have typed that in, click the submit button, and then boom, automatically his gratitude dashboard starts off at 7. Now that's really simple. That's going to add to our personal global gratitude number as well. And so it's really cool to see what you're part of. Now, the next component is the detailed card entry. So this is, click on that little button there, and this is where you can actually put who you have written cards to. So let's say Spencer sent a card to my mom. I don't know why Spencer would send a card to my mom, although she is a lovely woman, but I'm just going to show you how this component works on the page. So you go ahead and type in the person's name, the date, and the zip code they live, and then you click submit. One cool thing happens here right off the bat. It creates your own personal global gratitude map. So it shows where your gratitude is spreading around the world. So that's the Dallas zip code heading over to mom's zip code in San Diego. And then it shows a little timestamp here, date stamp, of the person that you wrote a card to. What's great about this is a continuously running list. So every time, let's say, we sent another one to Dan, and he is, let's see, 93036, another California zip code. Let's say we did another one there, and then boom, it shows another card being sent to a different part of California, and that name is added to the list as well. So this is a constantly running list that helps you keep track of everyone you've sent cards to, which is a really cool way to track your impact in the world. All right, so now that you've created your own portal, your gratitude number is going to grow every single time. And again, once you hit 5, that little symbol changes. So we gamified this, so it's going to it's going to increase every, I think it's about 10, 50, and then 100, and then 500, and 1,000, and it keeps going up from there. Those little icons change, so pretty cool. All right, a couple more things here. We do encourage you, if you've had an experience where you received a thank you card or you wrote a card to somebody and it was very impactful to you or them, we would love to hear about it. We love to share some of these stories on our Facebook page or on our emails. And by the way, if you don't want them shared, that's fine too. We obviously ask permission before that ever happens, but we would love to hear about how the Mr. Thank You project is impacting your life, or what type of a thank you project you're starting for your own life. It doesn't need to be titled Mr. Thank You. You can call it whatever you want. That's just what we've chosen to call it. And then also over here, we do give you the opportunity to edit your profile, so you can adjust any information. You can also put in your own photo, so you can go ahead and click on that and then pick a photo, upload it there, change your password, whatever you want, and that's basically the page. So that is Mr. Thank You. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we look forward to seeing all the love and gratitude you create in the world, and we're excited to see how much that's going to multiply love with everybody. So you have a wonderful day. If there's anything we can help you with, let us know. Take care.